We are in Yakushima Island in Kagoshima Prefecture of Japan. Yakushima is a UNESCO site for its natural beauty, and we're staying at the Sankara Hotel, which is a resort in Yakushima, and this is number 10, the Sankara Villa Suite, a standalone room, a very nice one. So the first thing you see when you walk in is the expansive living room, along with the dining table. And you can see the ocean in the horizon. And then this way is the bedroom. And this is a closet. Another view of the living room. There's a kitchen, if there's a requirement for that, although the food here is quite awesome, so I don't recommend that you cook by yourself unless you're here for an extended stay. And then here's the bathroom. So there's dual vanities. Over here is a shower and a deep soaking tub. Behind this door is a toilet, and then over here is a secondary shower. So plenty of space for one's belongings. Very comfortable. So the bedroom does close shut with sliding doors, and same with the bathroom. So if you need the extra privacy or peace and quiet, it's all there for you. So it looks like it's a one long and wide deck. It's a little late in the day, and it's a little foggy, so it's hard to see the ocean, but there's a nice view of it on a nice, clear, sunny day. So there it is, Sankara Villa, which is room number 10 in Yakushima, Japan.